Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to change opening hours on Fresha app. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go of course to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Fresha business application. After that you just need to go and log into your profile and of course register if you don't have one already. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the bottom of the screen, as you can see, we have the schedule. We have, as you can see, the sales, the plus button where you can go and add appointments, group appointments, block time, sale, quick payment. We have your client list here, and here everything about your profile. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and change opening hours on Fresha application. So it is pretty simple. You need to go and to your workspace. So basically, when you're in your workspace, then you need to go and click on settings. Then in the settings, you need to go and find the, of course, scheduling, which is here. And here in the scheduling, you need to go and, of course, click on time calendar. And here you can go and edit. And here you can go and edit the opening hours also. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, until next time, bye guys.